Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Las Vegas. It's a name that conjures images of dazzling lights, non-stop entertainment, and endless excitement. This city in the Mojave Desert is truly one of a kind. Whether you're seeking thrills, relaxation, or a bit of both, Las Vegas has something for everyone. Las Vegas is a city of contrasts. Sparkling fountains grace the desert landscape. World-class dining sits alongside all-you-can-eat buffets. Quiet moments can be found amidst the buzz and excitement. This guide will help you navigate the city's offerings and discover the true heart of Las Vegas. Over the next 6 days, we'll explore iconic landmarks and uncover hidden gems. We'll experience the thrill of a show on the Strip. Then we'll escape to the tranquility of Red Rock Canyon. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of this incredible city. Las Vegas is a feast for the senses. So, buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable adventure. Let's go. Choosing the right hotel is key to a successful Las Vegas experience. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, world-class entertainment, and endless dining options. Luckily, there's an option for every budget. Whether you're looking to save money or splurge on luxury, Las Vegas has it all. Let's look at some recommendations. From budget-friendly to 5-star luxury, there's something for everyone. For budget-conscious travelers, several casinos offer affordable rooms right on the Strip. These hotels provide great value without compromising on location. The Excalibur, Luxor, and Circus are great choices. Each of these hotels has its own unique theme and charm. These hotels provide comfortable accommodations without breaking the bank. You'll find all the essential amenities you need for a pleasant stay. They also put you in the heart of the action. Being on the Strip means you're just steps away from the city's top attractions, shows, and casinos. If you prefer a more luxurious stay, Las Vegas boasts some of the world's finest hotels. These properties offer unparalleled service, exquisite dining, and lavish accommodations. The Bellagio, with its dancing fountains, is an iconic choice. Its elegant rooms and world-renowned restaurants make it a favorite among visitors. The Venetian offers a taste of Venice with its canals and gondolas. It's a perfect choice for those looking for a romantic and unique experience. For a truly unique experience, consider the Wynn Las Vegas, known for its elegant accommodations and exceptional service. The Wynn's attention to detail and luxurious amenities set it apart from the rest. No matter where you choose to stay, remember that location is key. Staying close to the Strip or downtown will ensure you're never far from the action. Being close to the Strip or downtown will make it easy to explore the city's many attractions. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, there's always something to discover. Now that we've sorted out accommodations, let's dive into our 6-day itinerary. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the entertainment capital of the world. Our Las Vegas adventure begins on the legendary Strip. This iconic stretch is the heart and soul of the city, where dreams come alive and the night never ends. This 4-mile stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard is home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks. From towering hotels to dazzling casinos, every corner of the Strip tells a story of extravagance and excitement. Start your day by strolling along the Strip. Feel the energy of the city as you walk past bustling shops, vibrant street performers, and fellow tourists soaking in the sights. Take in the sights and sounds of this bustling boulevard. The constant hum of activity, the flashing lights, and the eclectic mix of people create an atmosphere like no other. Marvel at the architectural marvels of hotels like the Eiffel Tower at Paris, Las Vegas, and the Pyramid of the Luxor. These structures are not just places to stay but landmarks that define the skyline of the Strip. Be sure to snap a photo with the dancing fountains at the Bellagio. This mesmerizing water show is a must-see, captivating visitors with its choreographed performances set to music. It's a Las Vegas classic. The fountains are even more spectacular at night, illuminated by colorful lights that add to the magic. In the afternoon, escape the desert heat with a visit to the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Garden. This serene space offers a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle outside. This stunning indoor garden features seasonal displays of flowers, plants, and sculptures. Each visit offers a new experience as the displays change with the seasons. It's a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. The peaceful ambiance and beautiful scenery make it a perfect spot to relax and recharge. As evening descends, grab a bite to eat at one of the Strip's many restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a gourmet meal, there's something for every palate. You'll find everything from casual eateries to fine dining establishments. Enjoy world-class cuisine prepared by renowned chefs, or savor local favorites in a more relaxed setting. As darkness falls, the Strip truly comes alive with its dazzling lights. The neon signs and illuminated buildings create a vibrant, electric atmosphere that is uniquely Las Vegas. Enjoy a leisurely stroll and soak in the electric atmosphere. The night is young, and the Strip offers endless possibilities for entertainment and adventure. Today we're venturing off the Strip to explore the historic downtown area. Fremont Street, often called Old Vegas, offers a glimpse into the city's past. Start your day by immersing yourself in the Neon Museum. This fascinating museum showcases iconic neon signs from Las Vegas's past. It's a nostalgic journey through the city's history and a photographer's dream. Next, head to Fremont Street Experience. This pedestrian mall is covered by a massive LED canopy that displays dazzling light shows throughout the day and night. You'll find street performers, live music, and a lively atmosphere. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. In the evening, experience the thrill of Slotzilla. This zipline attraction lets you soar above the Fremont Street crowd. Choose from 2 different ride experiences, the lower zipline or the higher zoomline, which sends you flying superhero style. Day 3, a night of entertainment, shows, music, and magic. Las Vegas is renowned for its world-class entertainment. Tonight, we're experiencing the best of it. Begin your evening with a pre-show dinner at one of the many acclaimed restaurants on the Strip. Many hotels boast celebrity chef restaurants offering a diverse range of cuisines. Then, prepare to be dazzled by a Cirque du Soleil show. These acrobatic extravaganzas are famous for their stunning costumes, incredible athleticism, and breathtaking artistry. Choose from a variety of shows, each with its unique theme and storyline. If magic is more your style, catch a show by a world-renowned magician. Las Vegas is home to some of the best illusionists in the world. Their mind-bending tricks and illusions will leave you astounded. After the show, enjoy a nightcap at a rooftop bar. Soak in the glittering cityscape and let the magic of Las Vegas linger. Day 4, escape the city, Red Rock Canyon and nature's wonders. Today we're trading the neon lights for the natural beauty of the Mojave Desert. This vast desert landscape is a stark contrast to the bustling city life, offering a serene escape into nature's wonders. Just a short drive from the Strip lies Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. This hidden gem is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the raw beauty of the desert. Embark on a scenic drive along the 13-mile scenic loop road. This drive offers numerous opportunities to stop and take in the stunning views. Be awestruck by the towering red sandstone formations. These ancient rocks have been shaped by millions of years of geological activity. Stop at various viewpoints for breathtaking panoramic vistas. Each viewpoint offers a unique perspective of the canyon's beauty, perfect for photography enthusiasts. Pack a picnic lunch to enjoy amidst the desert landscape. There's nothing quite like dining surrounded by nature's splendor. For the adventurous, numerous hiking trails wind through the canyon. These trails range from easy walks to challenging hikes, catering to all fitness levels. These trails offer a chance to get up close and personal with the area's unique geology and wildlife. Keep an eye out for desert flora and fauna that call this place home. Choose a trail that suits your fitness level and enjoy the serenity of the desert. The peaceful surroundings provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. In the afternoon, head back to the city and unwind by the pool. After a day of exploration, a refreshing dip is just what you need. Many hotels offer elaborate pool complexes with lazy rivers, waterfalls, and even swim-up bars. These amenities provide a luxurious way to relax and rejuvenate. It's the perfect way to relax after a day of exploring the great outdoors. Let the cool water wash away the desert dust as you reflect on the day's adventures. Day 5, a culinary journey, from buffets to fine dining. Las Vegas is a foodie's paradise, offering a dizzying array of dining options. Today we're embarking on a culinary journey through the city's diverse culinary scene. Start your day with a legendary Las Vegas buffet. These all-you-can-eat extravaganzas offer a staggering variety of cuisines and dishes. From seafood towers to prime rib-carving stations, there's something to satisfy every craving. For lunch, head downtown and sample some classic diner fare. Many old-school diners serve up hearty portions of American comfort food at budget-friendly prices. It's a taste of old Vegas charm. In the evening, indulge in a fine dining experience. Las Vegas is home to some of the world's most acclaimed chefs and restaurants. Choose from Michelin-starred restaurants, celebrity chef establishments, or unique dining experiences. Day 6. Shopping and relaxation, souvenirs and spas. It's our last day in Las Vegas, and it's time to indulge in some retail therapy and relaxation. Start your day by exploring the city's many shopping destinations. From high-end designer boutiques to outlet malls, there's something for every taste and budget. Pick up some souvenirs to remember your trip. Afterward, pamper yourself at one of Las Vegas's luxurious spas. Many hotels boast world-class spas offering a range of treatments and services. Indulge in a massage, facial, or body wrap. It's the perfect way to unwind after a whirlwind trip. As the sun sets on your Las Vegas adventure, enjoy one last stroll along the Strip. Reflect on the memories you've made and the experiences you've had. Conclusion: Las Vegas. Memories made in the desert. Las Vegas is a city that defies expectations. It's a place where you can experience the best of everything. Whether you're seeking thrills, relaxation, or a bit of both, Las Vegas delivers. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. From the dazzling lights of the Strip to the natural beauty of Red Rock Canyon, this city offers a unique blend of excitement and wonder. We've explored iconic landmarks, uncovered hidden gems, and indulged in the city's culinary delights. As you depart from this desert oasis, you'll carry with you memories that will last a lifetime. Las Vegas is a city that stays with you long after you've left. So, start planning your next visit. There's always something new to discover in this ever-evolving city of lights. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.